2021 is coming to a close, and 2022 is now just hours into the future. In today's video, we're going to take a brief look back at 2021, but more importantly, look ahead to 2022 and my personal thoughts on stacking, investing, and building a brighter financial future. That, and of course, the videos to expect on this channel next year when we return. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and this final video of 2021. I can already hear the fireworks in the background, so it's that time of year again, the end of the year. This time last year, the United States was in the middle of an election scandal, and the internet was abuzz with grandiose promises of society's reemergence from the C-19 pandemic on the heels of several promising vaccines and increased financial stimulus from the incoming government. Now, hopes for gold, silver, and platinum were pretty high headed into 2021's higher inflationary market. The job numbers were down. There was a lot of political turmoil, and fear in the market was high as the cost of living was soon to be very quickly on the rise. So naturally, metals should have had a record year, right? All right, let's quickly look back at 2021, starting with silver. So silver opened up the year at $26.38 per ounce on January 1st, 2021, reaching a yearly high in spot price of $29.45 a month later on February 1st. That was tops for silver on the year, however, as the metal fell to $24.25 by March 30th, before ascending a second time during the second silver squeeze to $28.52 on May 18th. Silver wouldn't see $28 in spot price again this year, slowly moving down to a low price of $21.56 on September 30th, or the best day all year to buy silver. From September until today, silver broke upward from that low to $25.04 on November 15th, but did drop back down to a low of $21.90 on December 10th. As of the time of this video, silver spot price is $23.45 with 7 hours until the end of the year, giving silver a $2.93 loss on the year over year, or a net loss of 12.5% when looking only at spot price. So losing 12.5% in value on the spot, not the year many expected. Gold opened up the year at $1,907 per ounce, reaching its year-to-date high of $1,960 just 5 days later on January 5th. That was tops for gold for the year, as gold dropped to a year-to-date low of $1,690 on March 8th, before climbing once more to a high of $1,916 on June 2nd. Gold would drop once more, like silver, to a low of $1,733 on August 9th, and has been moving mostly sideways to slightly up since that point, with a spot price just 7 hours before the year's end of $1,838 US. That generates a year-over-year loss for gold's spot price of $69, or a negative 3.75%. When comparing the two metals, gold was the clear winner during 2021, although personally I wouldn't say any of the metals were winners, as they were both pretty big losers when you look at gold and silver as you compare their performance in years prior, and of course comparing their 2021 performance to other asset classes like stocks, which had another record year, real estate, which is way up, and of course the ever volatile and potentially profitable cryptocurrency. We also saw near 4 decades high inflation and also the lowest interest rate environment imaginable for precious metals, and yet they didn't really perform. Now, as 2022 approaches, those rates are expected to climb next year. I think that is going to begin in March when the Fed intends to raise interest rates slightly and reduce to eliminate its purchases, reducing liquidity in the market. Higher interest rates and a stronger US dollar are typically bearish indicators for both gold and silver. And with that in mind, I'm personally not expecting much when it comes to gains in spot value for either metal in 2022. As a matter of fact, we may see another loss. Having said that, the price stagnation is a good thing for someone new to stacking precious metals or for those of us that are in accumulation mode. Some of us never stop accumulating, and that's okay. Because, as I've said before and will continue to say many times into the future, it really isn't the spot price that gets me down. It is the premiums above spot that we must contend with and work to get around. All right, so I'd like to take a moment to be direct in stating that I'm a silver stacker. And in 2022, I will continue to be a silver stacker. And the main premise of this YouTube channel, The Florida Stacker, yours truly, is stacking silver. All right, we've seen a lot of silver-focused channels kind of fade away or transition into gold or other asset classes over the year, namely because of the metrics that I just stated. If I had to guess, me personally, I have a stacking budget, okay? So, that budget just is a portion of my expendable income, and therefore I'm able to continue to stack and invest in those other asset classes. Now, that is not to say, as far as being a silver stacking channel, that I won't be buying gold, platinum stocks, crypto, and other asset classes along the way, all of which I do hold now and have held positions in all along this journey of stacking precious metals, and will continue to buy, okay? Because, I believe in a lot of different things. However, this is a silver stacking channel primarily, and here we will stack silver together, okay? So with that out of the way, I cannot predict the future of spot price, really and honestly. I mean, the indicators look a little bearish going into next year, but they look pretty bullish going into this year, so who knows what's going to happen. We can, try to take a look ahead at what spot's going to do, but that's not where my focus lies. What I'd really like to do is just kind of talk now about those stacking goals for 2022. And for 2022, my personal stacking goals are, some of you will be surprised with this first one, I intend to stack 100 American Silver Eagles, $140 in face value of assorted 90% silver coins, and a minimum goal of 200 ounces of foreign silver coins and silver rounds combined. So for my silver goals in 2022, that's going to be 400 ounces. For gold, my goal is to purchase a 21 and 22 gold buffalo. I didn't pick up that 21 gold buffalo this year, so that was a miss, and we'll have to go ahead and grab that. And for platinum, I'd like to add a 2022 Platinum American Eagle to my stack. Now, I threw all of those 400 ounces of silver, the gold, and the platinum into a hypothetical card at APMEX. And if I was to make that purchase right now using a check or, bank wire, I'd be looking to convert about 16,800 US dollars into precious metals during 2022, which is pretty well on par for what I did for 2021. So looking forward to another good year stacking precious metals with this community on YouTube in 2022. Now, a year is a long time, and some of this could change depending on the price of metals, obviously the premiums over spot, and of course the availability. But, these are reasonable goals based on my stacking budget, and that's what we'll pursue starting out during the first quarter of 2022. As always, there could be adjustments. Now, outside of that, I will be working to stack some more cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, but I'm also going to delve into the metaverse for emerging profits, and I do intend, as always, to max out my company's 401k contributions and both mine and my wife's IRAs, okay? That is the key for my financial future, saving in precious metals, building a slight moat in cash to protect those precious metals, and going as hard as I can on investing in other asset classes so I can retire early, maybe own a bullion shop one day. We'll see. The only way I'm going to be able to do all this, though, is through continued hard work, even harder work than last year, and maintaining low to no debt, and obviously the help of you, my viewers and subscribers, which I continue to thank you for. All right, so whether you are stacking gold or silver, considering stacking either as either a savings, a hedge, an investment, or potentially you're just a collector and this is a hobby for you, here on this channel you do have a home for silver stacking. And of course, we will keep it fresh with some random assorted silver purchases, maybe some assorted gold and platinum purchases as well. A year's a long time, so we'll see what we can do. But for the first quarter of 2022, I do intend to do early morning live streams on market conditions and precious metals prices. Okay, that's going to be new for the year. And on Monday evenings at 7:30 p.m., I will continue to hold my weekly live stream, that is. And on Tuesdays, we're going to unbox 2 American Silver Eagles each week. That'll get us started on working toward that goal of 100. On Wednesdays, we'll unbox $5 in face value of 90% silver. Thursdays are back to stacking with 5 ounces of foreign lower premium silver coins. probably even more so the lower premium silver rounds to keep that cost low. And then Fridays will be open to varied content, including paid promotional content, advertisements, coin shop interviews, Skype interviews with other YouTubers or those that are, working in the precious metals industry to gain their insights. We'll also do some random precious metals subjects outside of just the unboxings, which are my favorite to do. And I do intend to take the weekends off, guys and girls. I don't plan on making content during Saturdays and Sundays so that I can enjoy my life with my beautiful family. I'd like to thank you all for watching today and for viewing my channel during 2021. And I really look forward to 2022, having all of you back, that is. And before we close, here are the metrics for this small stacking channel during 2021. All right, drum roll. In 2021, this channel received 1,199,300 views, or just 600 views shy of 1.2 million views. So when the analytics close out, we will probably cross that threshold of 1.2 million views on this channel during 2021. The channel also had a watch time of 123,535.3 total hours, and we gained 8,650 new subscribers during the year. In full transparency, and to satisfy the curiosity of both my fans as well as those, haters out there, which tend to drift towards each video, I did upload 173 videos this year. That was a lot of work, guys, and we got a lot of work to do. So this will be number 174 when it comes to release content during 2021. And all that earned me $7,660 in YouTube ad revenue. And that does also include those viewer donations during live streams. So I can't quite quit my day job just yet, folks, on $7,600 before taxes. But you know what? Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for partnering with me. Thank you for the emails. Thank you for the complaints. Thank you for everything during 2021. I want to wish you all a very happy new year. May God bless you all, and I'll see you back next year stacking precious metals.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel.